Hey everyone, welcome back to this week's episode of Friday Fabric Finds. Today is Friday, August the 15th. I'm Mitchell, I'm a manager here.
And I'm Clayton, I'm the VP.
So without further ado, let's get right into this video.
Alright, so first up, we have a sale on Home to Roost from Robert Kaufman. This collection is perfect for projects with a warm country feel. We have grocery bag kits available. Regularly are on sale for $30, but we have them right now for $20 or $19.96. So go ahead and pick those up while they are on discount. We have 1 yard cuts available for $9.96. And our patterns with this collection, they have things that include coops, chickens, roosters, and sunflowers. Most of the colors here are farm themed, so we have a lot of greens, yellows, reds, and browns. So rise and shine to take advantage of this sale because these barnyard beauties won't stay in the coop for long.
Next up, we have Agatha Road from Moda. With this, we have the 108 wide quilt backings. We have patterns, charm packs, layer cakes, pumpkins in a row runner kits, Agatha Oaks quilt kits, and also the full yard collection. Patterns in this group could include florals, text and words, stripes, wreaths, leaves, scallop blenders, and pumpkins with colors of orange and gray, but also gold, cream, and black. So if you're wanting this cool fall group for your next project, you can go celebrate fall with Agatha Road.
Alright, so our next collection is Spotted Graffiti from Windham. This collection includes things such as 108-inch wide backings, fat quarter bundles, a paint patch quilt kit, and the full collection of yardage. The patterns Spotted Graffiti texture include colors such as blue, purple, orange, red, green, pink, yellow, and many more. So make your project a dream to stitch with Spotted Graffiti.
Next up, we have Tim Holt's Palette Indigo from Free Spirit. With this group, we have fat quarter bundles, the hazel quilt kits, as well as the full yard collection. So this group has just a bunch of cool little different textures and stuff on a color palette of indigo. So different textures you can expect to see include collages, stamps, tickets, map, writings, typography, tapestries, florals, tiny prints, and just other different textures. Like I said, it is all in a wide color scheme of indigo. So if you need any cool indigo pieces for your next project, you can go make your next quilt a Windigo with Palette Indigo.
All right, now we're gonna hit you with a little bit of Christmas here. We have Charming Christmas from Riley Blake. This collection features Santa Baby quilt kits, which are going to ship at the end of August, fat quarter bundles, and the full collection of yardage. The patterns on this collection include Santa and Mrs. Claus, florals, presents, stockings, stars, and Christmas words. Along with Christmas, we do have Christmas colors, red, green, white, and black. So bring the joy of Christmas to your creations with Charming Christmas.
Next up, we have something new and exclusive we want to show y'all. This is the Fassett Reversible Crossbody bag kits. This is a very, as you know, Fassett, very vibrant looking colors, and it is a bold, beautiful, and brimming with color. So you can make it, you can flip it, and it'll make you love it twice as much. So each kit will include everything that you need, which is gorgeous Fassett fabric, fusible fleece, templates, and the patterns. So you can go say hello to our new Fassett Reversible Crossbody bag kits.
All right, so now we have Holt Notions. We have stocked up on all things Lori Holt from Riley Blake. So if you know quilting, you know that Lori is a rock star. So we have many different things from her, such as quilt papers, tumblers, rulers, reading glasses, zipper charms. I mean, you name it, we have it of hers. Bring color, charm, and cleverness to your sewing space with Lori Holt Notions.
Next up, I want to highlight our hot pre-order item in this newsletter, which is the Swoon 16 box quilt kit, which is featuring Parlor from Moda. These kits are scheduled to ship out from here October to November of 2025, so this year, obviously. These are priced at $149.96 each. It's a very cool, vivid purple and pink kit. You can spark creativity by pre-ordering the Swoon 16 box kit before they're all gone.
All right, now I want to highlight our 1 yard cuts. So these are all 1 yard length cuts that are listed at $9.96. These are from different collections, different patterns, a whole host of designs. We have a ton of them up on the website. They are pre-cut, full of personality, and ready to grab, and no cutting table required. Multiple orders won't be continuous. They are individually cut as 1 yard lengths, but each one it's a gem on its own. So check back often because you never know what's going to be up next. Buzz on over to the website and to check out our 1 yard cuts.
Next up, we want to do our comment of the week. This is where we pull a comment from last week's episode and put it into this week's episode. I want to highlight Del Marie Snodgrass. I'm so happy the mystery so-longs are coming back. I learned how to quilt using your mystery projects. My first quilt was the All Together Spooky in 2019. It won second place ribbon last March in the first quilt category. Love FWFS. First off, thank you so much for this comment. We appreciate you coming back to us all the time and checking us out. Thank you for keeping up with our YouTube videos. We're so happy that you are happy as well with these sew-alongs. We're excited to be creating this one and releasing it. Congratulations on getting second with that kit. I'm glad that that worked out. Next, I want to highlight Tenna Pilkington, who said, I just ordered from you yesterday. I'm so glad to find you on YouTube. I want to thank you as well for your comment. We appreciate you coming and finding us. We like to do these videos weekly, so you can come back every week to check out and we cover these newsletters. But yeah, we want to thank you all so much for leaving these comments, and check out next week. You might be featured, who knows?
So I want to thank everyone for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you see every time that we upload. Leave a comment and you might be on the comment of the week next week. And make sure to follow us on social media. All the links are down in the description. And we'll see you next week.
Thank you for watching.